How is Tesla doing? Are they going to meet their commitments on deliveries?
Certainly, we saw some mixed results in Q2, and deliveries were down from the previous quarter. But we can see where they can make that up, which is the positive for Tesla. So we've seen parts of China, factories have had to close down because of the zero COVID policy. We're also seeing now closures in parts of China due to power restrictions, very similar to what we've just been hearing about Germany. And so we can see that if these are short-term measures, they can continue to make up that output. And of course, Tesla also has a couple of new factories where it can continue to ramp up output throughout the year. So in Berlin, in Texas, where they've already applied for another extension. So on an annual basis, they should still be able to meet that target of surpassing pre-pandemic delivery levels, providing that measures such as these in China are short-term.
Talked about Germany, obviously the desire of the government to conserve energy going forward. Do you foresee any impact on the new Berlin factory as a result of these energy reduction measures?
It's possible. I mean, if we look at China as an example, just because it's already facing some of these issues, we've seen a big impact on the industrial sector. And I think that the very similar dynamics are playing out here in Europe. So it is possible. And it's actually something we've been considering for a while in our own research, that this could be a problem in Europe, and how will very energy intensive industries such as autos manufacturing deal with that. So it could be that we do start to see some temporary closures, as we have done with chip shortages. You know, there have been so many things impacting production this year that this seems to be another thing that automakers will have to deal with. And I think similar to some of the supply chain disruptions, we may see companies dealing with it in different ways. They may choose to reschedule some of their planned stoppages, for example, but it's certainly a possibility that we'll see that in Europe as well.